Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis and I am in my garage, well, right in the doorway of my garage, and I have a project for us that I needed to do a little bit of spray painting on, and I'll show you what. So you saw the picture. What can we do with these from the Dollar Tree and this mirror? I'm trying to hold it down so it's not scary. Anyway, so I got one of these mirrors that are like an 8 by 10 size, and we're going to make a lighted snowman. And I think it's going to turn out really cute, but I'm actually going to use another mirror that I picked up at Dollar Tree just to do a second one that looks a little bit different. So let me show you that mirror. Sorry about the garage size, but anyway, we've got this one, and I know you've seen these. They have them in a little bit different shape, but we're going to make a lighted snowman for our Christmas DIY tonight. Okay, if you're ready for Christmas, this is the DIY for you. So what we've bought are 2 different sizes of little glass jars from the Dollar Tree. You can tell that they are different sizes when you hold them next to each other. And these are going to be the base of our snowman. So basically, I'm using some frosted glass spray paint, and I'm going to paint all of these little bowls with the frosted glass. Okay, so to paint this, which I want to paint white, this mirror, the outline, I want it to look more like a winter scene than a flower. So I'm covering the mirror part with some painter's tape, and I'm just making sure it's covered really well. And then I just put, I'll show you one strip piece of this painter's tape on here, and I push it into the seam. Now I'm not so worried about the outline edge getting some white on the mirror. Not really that worried about it because it is a snow scene. But I do want to try to keep it on the frame part. So now I'm going to paint the mirror part, this white linen that I use a lot, and I'm just going to spray paint it and let it dry, and I may have to do 2 coats. First scene, I'm going to do this mirror here, and I'm trying to angle it so that it's not reflecting too badly on you. So what I need are the 2 glass bowls I showed you already that are painting. I need a mirror, and then what I'm going to use are some additional lights. These are battery operated lights. These are the clear white from the Dollar Tree, and if they're not out there yet, they will be. They're only $1, but you do need batteries. Now I had batteries already in my my stash, but you can buy batteries at the Dollar Tree too. They don't have to cost you a whole lot of money. All right, so we're going to use those. You are going to need one of these types of lights to go under your snowman so that he lights up. It does stick down on your, has sticky adhesive on it, and these can be hung also if you hadn't seen these, but they're $1. I'm going to turn it on. It's really bright, and it's going to light up our snowman. So we've got that. Then if I'm thinking I'm going to cover the light string with some garland. Now this is garland I had from Walmart, but you can buy anything from Dollar Tree too. And if you don't want to cover it, you don't have to. But these lights are going to go around the perimeter of the mirror. Then you're going to need some E6000, which is what I use to glue the glass together, the bowls together to make the snowman. And it works really well. And that's why I like to use this. I would not use hot glue or any other kind of really glue unless it's made for glass or jewelry or that kind of thing. Now, what does a snowman need but a hat? So Dollar Tree has these cute little hats. These are adorable. And I'm trying to decide what I want. You could even decorate it more. You could put a bow on it, or you could fix up the hat with a little more decoration. You could cover it. It doesn't have to look like this. Did want to show you those, but someone gave me this hat. It's so cute, and I am wanting to use this one on at least one of my snowmen. Then if you want to, we're going to use a Sharpie marker to draw on our snowman's face. That's what I would like to do. But he does need some buttons, and I'm trying to decide what to do for that. So I have these cute little buttons here, which I can use the E6000 glue on, and I may use these. These are really adorable buttons I just had. You could also use these Fashion Jewels. You can buy those at Walmart or Dollar Tree. They have all kinds. And then you can also use sequins, which would be very light and easy to put on for his buttons. And then I'm just going to draw on his face. Give him a little scarf, and then I'm going to decorate the mirror. Now, to do that, okay, so my bowls have dried. They look so pretty frosted. And I'm going to glue them together with the E6000 glue and set them aside. So what I am going to do is turn it upside down, the bottom one, like this, so that the light will be under it, like this. If you can see, but like that. And then the top one I'm going to leave up like this with the top open, so that I have a good base to glue to, like this. All right. So E6000, really easy. I'm going to put it all around here and put my jar on top, and then I'm going to set it aside. My next step is to take my lights, and I'm going to glue them down. I think I'm going to glue them actually to, not to the mirror part, but to the outside of this little decorative edge here. Okay, so I've got my lights around my frame. Okay, so I think actually, even though it's tinsel, the silver will help reflect the light. So I am going to use this to cover up the wire, and I'm going to glue that down. Okay, so tinsel on, lights are on. They look really, really pretty. Okay, so this is my placement here. I've got everything ready. I couldn't glue this down, of course, because I've turned the light on, and I'm not going to glue this down. And these are just like a little bit of glue just to hold it in place so it doesn't move all over. Okay guys, well this is the #1 little cute face on my snowman, and here is the mirror whole thing, you know, like the whole little centerpiece. So cute. Little whimsical snowman. Alright, I'm going to go get the other one and put it together, and I'll show you what I come up with at the end and give you some ideas. Okay, so this is how the second one is going to look. And this one, you know, the mirror is just the right size for the snowman. And so I just put some snowflakes around the painted white mirror. And you can see here, I'm going to be careful to pick him up. But the light is there. And I'm going to turn the light on and put the snowman on. And he is so cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to take you in and show you both snowmen next to each other. This one I did use a little sequins and some snowflakes for his buttons. This red plaid or red check material for his scarf. Put a little glitter on top of his hat from the Dollar Tree. And basically, most of this was all from the Dollar Tree. Just a few things I had on hand. And sorry about my table here. My craft table has all my supplies on it. But let's go in and look at the other one. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I'm just going to go ahead and end it here. Thank you for watching. And I hope that you'll come back and watch more crafts with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.